COTP, OTC trading platform. Safe, stable, and credible. About COTP. COTP is a blockchain OTC and cryptocurrency exchange platform. We are committed to improving the liquidity of blockchain assets and allowing more people to enter the blockchain industry. We provide users with a more free and safer trading environment, use AI intelligent algorithms to match users with the best orders, and continue to bring you benefits. We focus on building an efficient cryptocurrency exchange platform and establish cooperation with 3,000 plus OTC traders around the world. It is currently the world's largest OTC exchange. The research and development team of COTP Exchange originates from all over the world and has rich experience in financial management and the development of blockchain technology. The independently developed high-frequency transaction matching engine can carry a large number of concurrent transactions, which far exceeds most exchanges in the market. High-frequency transactions is one of the biggest highlights of COTP Exchange. The high-speed matching transaction pair can perfectly solve problems of jam and downtime in the operation of the exchange. It is the primary guarantee for COTP to ensure the smooth experience of coin friends and the safety of funds. Hot and cold wallet technology ensures double protection of capital security. According to the cryptography community, the Cryptography Foundation of the blockchain, SHA-256 and EDSA, is absolutely secure under the current decryption technology capability. The main problem of digital currency security lies in the preservation of private keys. Cold and hot double money package is adopted by the COTP exchange to ensure the security of user funds. Technology. Our encrypted transaction system uses a secured transaction mechanism, combined with unique point-to-point transmission technology, a real-time clearing engine, a smart digital wallet, an extremely high network security system, a cross-exchange optimal price exchange engine, and other blockchain technologies. The AI intelligent algorithm is used to automatically allocate the best order for you. You can automatically complete all operations such as digital currency delivery and two-way acceptance by simply operating authorization. The platform guarantees the transaction for you to ensure the safety of your funds. The real-time clearing engine system will complete all settlements within a few hours and automatically settle your income and principal to your account. Service. When it comes to any risks of cryptocurrency trading through an exchange, COTP ensures the highest form of security. We also provide instant customer service support for any problems that users have during transactions. KYC. Our platform uses KYC ID verification to verify user identity. This verification is done by Jumio Net Verify technology to reduce the possibility of fraud and money laundering. It is similar to those used by global cryptocurrency exchange platforms such as Bittrex, Local Bitcoins, and CryptoPay. COTP does not store user information received from Jumio in order to comply with data confidentiality. The system is responsible for automatically verifying identity. Wallet. We worked with top development consultants to create a structured wallet that allows individuals to store their assets in hot, warm, and cold wallets at the same time. This not only improves the security of your funds, but also creates liquidity for transaction efficiency. Instant customer service support. COTP has established its influence by using software to allow customer service representatives to respond to queries within 5 to 15 minutes. Its goal is to solve any problems encountered by customers within 24 hours. Ordinary exchanges often respond within 3 to 5 working days. Insurance protection. All digital assets held in online storage are fully insured. All digital assets are underwritten by FDIC insurance, up to a maximum of $250,000 per customer. Why choose COTP? The safety of users' funds is ensured because the COTP exchange creates its own high-frequency trading matching engine. With the blockchain industry gradually becoming mature, and its acceptance by mainstream institutions, the transformation of the traditional financial industry will be a common trend. Based on the algorithm of the high-frequency transaction, millions of transactions can be carried out every day, all of which can be overturned by the rise of the exchange, COTP. Different from common exchanges in the market, COTP exchanges are distributed all over the world, and they are usually run by anonymous communities. Uniswap. The most popular exchange, traded encrypted currencies worth billions of dollars in one day, which surpasses the mainstream encrypted currency exchange Coinbase. Dariush, CTO of COTP said, "If most transactions occur at the time of price discovery, then we need to have a more complex market-making strategy." Darius has been engaged in the algorithm transaction business since 2006 and entered the encryption market in 2019. According to Dariush, if a transaction robot can carry out its transactions faster than its competitors, profits can be created faster than the market. COTP can even run a node and act as an identifier, so that they can reorganize transactions in a block to ensure that their transactions can be carried out faster than others. When carrying out transactions in the currency circle, especially when participating in contract projects, COTP and downtime will become two of the biggest problems in the market. It is likely that downtime in a short period can lead people engaged in the coin industry to break their positions directly and cause serious losses. COTP exchange has three conspicuous advantages. Safe and reliable. Developed by the world's top technical team, it has a mature financial risk control system, complies with the Encrypted Currency Security Standard, CCSS, and multiple security mechanisms that can ensure asset security. Professional. The self-developed high-frequency transaction matching engine can carry a large number of concurrent transactions, and the matching performance is up to 5 million transactions per second. The unique distributed architecture ensures the best user experience in the world. Stable and reliable. The industry-leading and multi-level disaster recovery and high-availability architecture, decentralized hosting and clearing technology, and super anti-DDoS attack system can always ensure the safety of the platform. Decentralization is the development trend of the exchange in the future, and COTP exchange is expanding the field of DeFi and will empower COTP again, making COTP more promising in the future. COTP, OTC trading platform.